Good morning, students. I hope you all have completed chapter 4, but very few have sent me in my Gmail all the homeworks. So it is very important to complete the work properly because your quarterly exam is also coming. So complete the work and send the homework pics at my Gmail ID. Some of you are sending me in WhatsApp. So I request you do not send in WhatsApp because it is difficult for us to see in the WhatsApp. Okay, so just send in the Gmail. That will be better. Now we are going to start chapter 5 today, exponents and powers. What is this exponents and what is this power, students? Exponents means it is very helpful in mathematics, exponents, because it helps us to read or understand or compare a very large or very small numbers. Okay, large numbers means suppose if I will write a very large number, suppose 1 crore, 10 crore, okay, 100 crore, we can write suppose 1 crore. If I will write the large number like this, and it is difficult for us to put many zeros here or read or write, so we can express this in the exponential form. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 10 to the power 7. We can write it in the exponential form. This is called 10 to the power 7, and this 7 is the power, or you can say it as exponent, or it can also be said as index. Okay, and what is this? This is called base. This is base and this is power, or this can also be said as exponent. Similarly, 10 to the power 5. This is base, this is exponent or power, or index also you can say. Suppose a very big number is written, the distance between the sun and the earth is written in this meter, this much meter. So you can write it in exponential form. How? 15 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 to the power 10 meter. Okay. Suppose a number is written like 2 to the power 5, and you have to write it in the normal form, not in this is the exponential form. You have to write it normally. Okay, just simplify it. 2 to the power 5, then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times 1 2 3 4 5. So just multiply 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32. 32 is the answer. Or if you have to write the 32 in the exponential form, we will write it in this manner. Exponential to simple, this. Simple to exponent is this. Got it? Suppose a very big number 256, and you have to write it in the exponential form. How you will write it? So it's easy. Take the LCM. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16. 1 will go as a carry. Okay. 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 16 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, and 2 1 ja. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 to the power 8, or 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. You can write it 8 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, or you can write it in the exponential form, 2 to the power 8. So normally, basically what happens, exponents help us to read, understand and compare very large and very small distance, like population of country, distance between two planets, size of atom, all these things. It becomes easy for us. Okay, now we will see some questions in the exercise. But before that, suppose any number is written n times, like A is written n times, a to the power n, a into a into a into a into a dot 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 is given. Dot 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 means we don't know how many times. It will go up to n times. So its exponential form will be a to the power n. Similarly, like 2 is written 8 times, so we have written 2 to the power 8. But this is written suppose n times, dot 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 up to n is written. So we can write it exponential form as a to the power n. This is the general form of this kind of questions. This is called general term. Okay. Now, very important thing, student, you have to understand it properly and keep it always in your mind that whenever a negative number, if I will take a negative number, suppose 1 minus 1 and its power is even, like minus 1 to the power 4. 4 is a even number. So what you will write? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Yes, 4 times. So just multiply minus minus plus 1 1 ja 1 minus minus plus 1 1 ja 1. So we will get the answer in plus 1. Similarly, any number, not only 1, suppose minus to the power any even number 4, 2, 6, 8. So what we will get? Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can see minus minus plus, minus minus plus, minus minus plus. So all will get plus. So whenever the negative numbers have even number of power, then answer will be always positive. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. But in plus. But if I am taking any negative number but its power is odd, 3 is an odd number. So what we will see, just see what we will get here. Minus minus plus, but plus minus minus. Okay, we will get always answer in negative. So whenever a negative number have a power in even, so we will get positive answer, but a negative number have a power of odd, then we will get a negative answer. Here positive answer, here negative answer. Always any odd number like 5 also, then we will get a negative answer. Okay. So let's see few questions in your exercise. Let's begin the exercise 5.1. Question number 1. Find the value of 2 to the power 5. All the question are very easy. 2 to the power 5 means, students, 2 to the power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Similarly, it's B number 3 to the power 5. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 times. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. And 81 3s are 243. So we will get this answer. So it's C and D number is your homework. Okay, you have to do it by yourself. Question number 2. Write the following in exponential form. This is very simple question. Like you have to write it in exponential form. 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 5 times. So you have to write it in exponential. Exponential means 7 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 to the power 5. Simple. This is the exponential form. What is its exponent? 5. What is its base? 7. Got it? Similarly, B and C also you have to do. How you will do the B number? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 to the power 4. You have to write it in this form only. This is the answer only. Similarly, x to the power 3, y to the power 2 and z to the power 2 means z, y square, z square. Power 2 is called square, power 3 is called cube. Okay? And more than cube, you have to write raised to the power 4, raised to the power 5. But square and cube. Power 2 is square, power 3 is cube. Question number 3 now. Express each of the following number using exponential notation. So you have to write it in the exponential notation. Like question number 3, A number 1, 2, 5. Exponential, this is a big number. So how you will write in exponential form? So we will take the LCM. Okay. So 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Then 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. 5, so it will cancel by the table of 5 only. 5 6 are 30, then 5 2 are 10, then 5 5 are 25, then 5 1 are 5, then 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 1 25, then 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25, 5 5 are 25, 5 1 are 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is 5 times and 2 is 2 times. So you can write it 2 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 5. This is its exponential form. The bigger number you have to take the LCM. It will be easy for us. Okay. So it's B, C, D. All you have to do it by yourself. Any doubt you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Okay. But try it by yourself. Question number 4 now. Compare the following. You have to compare it. How you will compare these numbers? Like this. 3 to the power 4 and 4 to the power. Which is bigger? 3 to the power 4. Write it. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. And 4 to the power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. Okay. So tell me which is bigger. 81 is bigger or 64? Of course 81 is bigger. So 3 to the power 4 is bigger than 4 to the power 3. Whenever the base is bigger, then the number will always be bigger. Okay. Minus 2 to the power 3 or 1 to the power 4. Which is bigger? Tell me. B number. Minus 2 to the power 3 and 1 to the power 4. So minus 2 power 3. So minus 2 into minus 2. 3 times. Minus minus plus. But plus minus minus. 2 2 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. Minus 8 and 1 to the power 4 means 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. It will be 1 only. Which is bigger? Of course 1. Base is bigger than this, no? Minus 1 and 1, minus 2 and 1. Which is bigger? Of course 1 is bigger. If base is bigger, then the number will always be bigger. Minus 2. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2 to the power 3. This will be the answer. Can you do it? C and D by yourself? Okay. Question number 5. Evaluate the value of each of the first 5 natural number raised to the power 4. Yes. All the natural number up to 5. First 5 natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first 5 natural number raised to the power 4. 1 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4, 4 to the power 4 and 5 to the power 5 you have to write. Sorry, 5 to the power 4. Now you can write it 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, then 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. All the natural number raised to the power 4 value you have to find. 1 1 ja 1, 1 will be 1, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 3 ja 81, 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64 and 64 4s are 256. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625. So this is the answer of question number 5. All the natural number raised to the power 4. Up to 5 you have to do, students. Question number 6 to rest of the question I'll explain you in the next video. But if you can do it by yourself also. Okay. Till then complete it up to 5 number.